So in how many ways we can move from A to C? Sorry.
Okay, yeah, there.
Right? So, so we need to figure out in how many ways we can get to B first, and then to C. Right? So to get to B, we have one way, one option to get here, one option to get here, right? One option to get to this point, and one option to get to this point, right?
Yes.
To get to this point, how many options we have? We either can go like this or like this. So we have two options, right? To get to this point, how many options we have? 1, 2, and 3, right? To get to this corner here, and to get here, same, we have 3. So to get to B, we have 6 options, right? So for simplicity, so along the sides, you have to move along the sides, right? You only have one options here, right? And then this point here, so what you do, you add, right? You add 1 plus 1 is 2. Then here it will be 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6.
6 ways, yeah.
To get here. Now, continue, right? So 6. So it means to get to these points here, we have 6 options, right? And to get along this side, we have 6 options.
Yes.
Okay, and again, same logic, right? So it will be 12, 18, 24, 18 and 18, 36, 24 and 36 will give us 40, 60, right? 18 plus 6, so 24, 36 and 24 is 60, and 60 plus 60 will be 120. So it's 120 ways. Or how else we can do? So to get here, we have 1, 2, 3. So total ways we have 4. So it's C. 4 choose 2, right? We have, so you count how many total paths you have. You can go 2 ways to the east and 2 points to the south, right? So you have 4 options, and you need to choose 2, right? Because, so what do we get? We get 4 factorial over 2 factorial over 2 factorial, and we get, so 4 factorial is 24 over 4, we get 6. Okay, so it's 6, right? So because we have 3 to the east, 3 south, and then choose 3, and this will be 6 factorial over 3 factorial, and then 6 minus 3 factorial, which leaves us 6 factorial over 3 factorial over 3 factorial, which gives us 6 times 5 times 4 over 3 factorial, which is 6. 3 factorial is 6. It gives us 20. Okay.
Okay. So we get 2.
So, and then you multiply, right? So first square, so this small square, it's 4 choose 2 times second square will be 6 choose 3.
3.
And
3.
It gives us
and 3
6.
Because there's 3 squares, right?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, okay.
And
6 times 20 is 120.
20.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Could we do just one more? Question. An expansion one. Could we do the 36, for example?
36. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the fifth term in the expansion is, so we have fifth term. So we have 3a cubed minus 2b squared to the power of 8. So with this type of expansions, how many terms we're going to have?
8.
No. So if we have quadratic, how many terms in quadratic?
2.
3.
3.
Right? So if you take a minus b squared and you do expansion, so it will be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Right?
Okay.
So we always have one more terms than our exponent.
Okay.
Okay?
So it'll be 9.
Right? And the coefficient, so we should remember the formula, right? So n choose r, right? Then x to the power of n minus r times y to the power of r, whereas n is your exponent of your polynomial, exponent,
Yeah.
and r, what is r? It's your counter, right? R goes from 0 to n. Okay? So if we have we ask for fifth term, right? Then it means that r must be equal to
6 or
fifth term.
5.
Right? So term starts with
4.
So first term, if we think about first term,
Okay.
r equals to 0. Second term, r starts from 0. R equals to 1.
So it would be 4. R would be 4.
That's right, and so on. So r would be equal to 4. Okay? So we have C, 8 choose 4.
4.
Right? And then we have 3a cubed to the power of 8 minus 4 times negative 2b squared to the power of 4.
4. Yeah.
And now we just need to calculate. So 8 choose 4, so it's 8 factorial over 4 factorial over 8 minus 4 factorial times 8 minus 4 is 4, so 3 to the power of 4 is 81. A cubed to the power of 4 will be 3 times 4, 8 to the power of 12, times negative 2 to the power of 4 will be 16. And b squared to the power of 4 will be b to the power of 8.
Yeah.
So here,
so the 8C4 is 70.
what is it?
I calculated 70. 70.
70?
70. Yes.
Okay, let's. Okay, and then 70 times 81 times 16.
$90,720.
So we have 70
90,
times
90,000.
81 times 16 times A12 times B8 gives us 70 times 81 times 16. So 90,720, a to the power of 12, b to the power of 8.
And it's positive, right? The 80.
That's right. It's
Okay.
positive because here we have
Squared.
negative 2 to
4.
the power of 4.
So it's if the exponent is even, it means it'll always be positive, right?
That's right, because you multiply negative number, even number of times, right? Minus times
Yeah.
negative times negative is positive.
Yeah. All right, and that's option B. 36. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.